hello, hello, hello. Rainy days, oh rainy days, Wednesday always make me glad. This is how we call rain, Vancouver. Winter, spring, spring and spring. And then winter, spring, spring and spring. All we have here is rain. But as I always say to you guys, rainy is a blessing. And it's just 4:30, so it's not that so dark. We're still good. We can still see everything clearly. Still be careful with the pedestrian. Sometimes I can't even see them, especially wearing jackets that is dark or black. When you're planning to move here in Vancouver, Canada, guys, you make sure your winter jackets or raincoats are not dark colors. That's for your safety, and also for the drivers like me, we can easily see you. Did you see that amber blinking before this traffic light? So it means it's almost stoplight signal when you see that. So don't chase the signal light of red traffic light, what I mean. So cold. But thank God, here in Vancouver, Canada, it always rains, but not like typhoon or storm. It's just like a shower. It's like you're just taking shower. Unlike in other provinces of Canada, Nova Scotia, I know, correct me if I'm wrong, like they have lots of rain. When it rains, it pours super hard, and that's why they have flood. Even other part of province of Canada, like Yukon, you will not see your vehicle. It was totally covered by snow. In Nova Scotia, I think you can't even see your vehicle sometimes. Unfortunately, it flooded. So here in Vancouver, this is the rain what we have. As long as you have your raincoats, hoodie, and also with a thick jacket, along with your umbrella, you will survive. If I will be asked, anyhow, my husband asked me already. See, on my left side, you still notice people walking. So that's why I told you it's still walkable as long as you layered yourself and you have your umbrella. My husband is asking me, he said, "Hey my love," oh my love, hey, so sweet. Do you prefer driving with snow or with rain? Both is okay. I drove for almost 5 years with the tons of snow. So here, I used to drive with lots of rain the whole year. But honestly, I prefer to drive here in Vancouver, raining rather than snowing. Raining, it's even you don't have winter tires, the road is not that slippery. But in snowy, you make sure that you have winter tires, and winter tires is super expensive. So if you don't have winter tires, you will feel the fishtail, like when you're turning, your tires makes a squeaky sound and then sliding, and you don't feel very safe. I have my friend back in Regina, Saskatchewan. She's our friend, and she experienced that they are all together in one van as a whole family with their kids, 3 kids, and it's snowy. And expected that it's when it snow in Regina is really a tons of snow, so they haven't yet had a chance to do winter tires. Is if you change your winter tires in advance, so it will gonna be old before, like overused before the winter. So preferably people there like me also, we want to save money. We want to change our tires, all season tires, to winter tires when it's really snowy. So what happened, long story short, their vehicle turned around 365 degrees. She was so crying, and she said she learned her lesson to be ready after autumn is to have their winter tires changed. That was happened to me as well. Like, it's snowy already and winter tires are really essential, and most of the tire stores or even the tire company that can change winter tires, they're all busy and you need to book an appointment. So what I did is I booked an appointment, but before I got my appointment is to change winter tires, tons of snow on my way. So I drove like only 20 kilometers. That's before I'm driving at least 110. It's super slow. It sounds like I'm super slow like a turtle. And then my husband is looking for me and saying, "Hey, where are you?" "I'm here. I think I'm here in Mr. Louvre." Oh, Mr. Louvre. We love Mr. Louvre. They have fast and friendly service and a quality service. And that's why we are thankful that we have friends also back in Regina, Saskatchewan. When I'm working in the office and my husband needs to be in the hotel, so someone is looking after Denise, either at the Ann or the Take 10 Tim Hortons. We're calling Take 10 Tim Hortons is my batchmate back in Saskatchewan. We always say bayanihan, right? Kababayan, di bababayan. So I think Abby was the one who looked after Denise during that night that I need to change winter tires. Why I'm sharing this to you guys is for you to have an idea, the exact outlook in life before you will move here in Vancouver, Canada. Expect rain is all season. Anyhow, raining is a blessing. And second is for us to appreciate old friends are still our new friends. Confusing, hey? They are our old friends before we met a new friends, but they are still our new friends. Every time we're sharing like this story that one of our batchmates that we consider friend as well, Abby, in Regina, Saskatchewan, look after Denise when I badly need to change my winter tires for our safety and for next day that I need to go to work again. And that's why I'm saying old friends are our new friends. It's because memories refresh the friendship that we have started, and it will last forever. Anyhow, what I'm saying, guys, is always remember to consider a lot of things before making major decision. As we relocated here, if you are our subscribers for how many months? We're almost 6 months vlogging. You will always hear from us that saying, wherever you are, as long as you feel home, and if you're planning to have change in your life or to embrace new thing, 2 P's. First P is pray. Pray and pray and pray and pray. And then it follows the next P, possible. Because when we pray, everything will become possible. Possible in a way that God will answer our prayer in His own plans. When God closes a door, it means He opens windows. And when God says no, it means He has better plan for us. And this is how it looks in Vancouver. It's drivable, and I know in other provinces as well. As my daughter mentioned on her vlog, on her Denise Secret channel, winter has a very long night compare when it's summer. When it's winter at exactly 4 p.m. you feel like you're super sleepy and it's super dark, and you thought it's considered as part of night. And then when it's summer, it's almost 10 in the evening, and you feel like it's only 5 in the afternoon. So the day part is longer than the usual when it's summer. Anyhow, after the crisis, this pandemic, we will show to you guys other part of Vancouver. So what we're doing now is we keep you posted when we drive. And the day today is December 16, the pajama and the wacky hair day of our daughter kindergarten. And I am so blessed. They have lots of school activities in which they stay connected but with 2 meters apart via Zoom or virtual or transition learning, what we call. And of course, we are so blessed to have our company, our management team that's very supportive. Dwell Property Management, that when you text them or inform them, oh sorry, we need to involve in school activity, I might be running late a little, and I will make sure that I'll catch up or make time for the next day. Do you know what I mean, guys? Money is not the basis of everything. As long as you're happy. Me, if you will ask me now, I am happy 99.9%. The 0.01% is because I just miss my father. Now he's in heaven. But I am happy 99.9%. It's because I know my family's back home or in other country, United States, or even in Canada. We are all doing well. There are ups and downs, there are trials, but as long as we know that God is the center of everything, we have a peace of mind. And we're not making a lot of money, millions of money, but if we have the chance to help other people, especially homeless or people have emotional depression, let's try to challenge ourselves and tell to ourselves to be able to give is a gift. Giving is not all monetary. You can give your time to pray with them, and you can also smile or take time to say how are you and tell them. Even the email that I have with the lawyers and realtors, I always say, you rock, thank you so much. No worries, it happens. It makes a big difference. Once again, guys, please don't forget to leave a comment for our improvement. And thank you so much for viewing and subscribing our channel. Please also subscribe Denise Secret channel, Sir is online, and our very own Vancouver Canada. Bye, guys.